If you think someone has access to your Facebook account on other device, or you simply want to log out of all device for security reasons, then here is how you can remove your account from other devices. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section of Facebook. Now, once there, scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Once inside the settings, tap on the Account Center at the top. Inside Account Center, tap on the Password and Security. Then you can see Login Information option available there. You can see whoever has logged into your Facebook account. Then tap on the Change Password at the top. Tap on your profile. Here you can see Current Password, New Password and Retype Password option available. There you can also see Log out of all session to log out from all devices at once at the bottom. Make sure to check that box and change your password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.